Hi friends, welcome to Green Pyramid Energy Tech channel where we talk about different technology concepts, and today we are going to talk to you about the My Health automatic sanitizer dispenser, where I will be talking to you about different things that go into making of such a machine. I will not only talk to you about what goes inside this specific machine, but I'll also be covering concepts about different things like solenoid valve, or a pump, or a lithium-ion battery. So before we started designing this particular machine, we looked at a whole lot of machines out there in the market, and you can broadly segment the two into a spray based and a nozzle based. And there's a reason why we went with a nozzle based instead of a spray based, but you can probably find out that information on the website. So let's start with what we thought was the main feature of our product, which was a portable battery source, and we chose a lithium-ion battery. Now the advantage of a lithium-ion battery is it lasts a long time, and it also packs in a lot of power, so you can practically run this machine for 2 to 3 weeks just on battery power. And then when it comes to charging it, it is very fast for you to charge it. So the whole battery will charge in as less as 2 hours. The other thing with lithium ion is it is a rechargeable battery, which you probably know, but because you are using a rechargeable battery, and by not using a AA cell or what they call as a primary cell, it's kind of the more environment friendly option, because you don't keep throwing cells away every time you have to charge the machine. Having said that, the technical details of or specifications of this cell is it's a 3.7 volt cell, and the one we've selected, of course, is a 2200 milliampere, which has a decent amount of power. And to charge this battery, we use a DC 5 volt adapter, a 2 ampere one, but of course you cannot directly connect such an adapter to a battery. There is a circuit in there which is called as a battery management circuit, BMS, that plays an integral role in making sure that a lithium-ion battery is safely charged. You must have heard that without proper protection, a lithium-ion battery can explode. So you actually have to put in very high quality electronics to make sure that doesn't happen, especially when it comes to having a machine that has alcohol in it. The other aspect that you will see in a lot of machines is what is called a solenoid, and this essentially is an electrically operated switch where once you supply power, it essentially allows the flow of liquid. It can be NC or NO. NC is normally closed or normally open. In these particular applications, you have what is called as an NC, which is normally closed. Now, we did consider using this, but we chose against it, because what happens is that the valve inside sometimes gets clogged because the sanitizer is not a clear liquid, or there is glycerin, or there might be some other impurities, and so if that gets clogged, it keeps leaking a little bit of liquid, which is not good, because it will waste it, it will stain it, so generally not a good idea. Secondly, because of solenoid essentially works with gravity, essentially what it means is when the valve opens, the gravity will push the liquid out of the dispenser, which means that you will have to dispense the liquid from the bottom of the unit. That essentially means that you cannot keep such a unit on a tabletop like I have done right now. So other thing that's in all these machines is a pump, and this can be a submersible pump, or it can be a pump that may not be submersible, but the function is the same, which is to push the liquid out either through the solenoid into the nozzle or into this nozzle. The last aspect of it is essentially the nozzle itself. So we get the nozzle made from very high precision CNC machines, so that you are guaranteed a proper flow every time. So hopefully you found this video useful, and check out other videos on our channel. So till next time, thank you very much.